What's poppin', Playboys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a little simple install. Today we're gonna be installing this new lip I recently bought. Came like probably 2 days ago. Bought from eBay. Don't really know the name of the lip, but I'm gonna put it in the bio so you guys can find it. The reason why I'm buying another lip is because currently my car is lipless. It was a day I was driving home from work. It was like late night, probably like 12, almost 1 a.m. And I hit a puddle and I had a screw right here that was already coming out, and it just ripped off my whole lip and like destroyed it and all that. So that lip is inside the house now, just chilling under my bed. But I just bought myself a nice looking lip. It's gonna give the SI a whole different look. Just have to get it paint matched and all that stuff, but that could wait. So yeah, man, let's get this lip on the lip. If you guys live in Florida, you know how hot it is, and I'm struggling to talk. But let's get this lip on the whip. It is so hot in Florida, it makes no sense. It's like springtime, it's already like 92 degrees outside, which is ridiculous. But yeah, man, got the car jacked up now. It makes it real easier to work on your car when it's in the air. But yeah, now it's easy to put the lip on. So, cause literally you just gotta go under the car and just bolt it up. But you guys can really see how it's gonna look right here. And now it's time to get it bolted up to the car. Bro, I'm dying. It is so hot in Florida. I'm about to go move to like Colorado or something. I don't know. Somewhere that's cold all the time, because this is not the way. Alright, so on the back of the lip, they have like little marks where you can tell bolts are supposed to go in, or nuts, whatever you want to call it, screws. Got those little circles. So all I'm gonna do is just put the screw where I see the circle. So really simple install.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Alright guys, so after fighting and adjusting the lip, I finally got it on, and I can say it does look pretty nice. Only complaint I have to say is like right here, there's like tiny gaps. I'm gonna try to find a way to fix that. Maybe a longer bolt, I don't know, something. But yeah, man, the lip is on. I actually like it a lot. I'm just gonna lower the car and see how it looks on the ground, because on the air it looks pretty nice. I really like the lip. It's clean. you guys enjoyed this little cinematic shot I tried to take. But yeah, man, it's gonna be it for the video. If you guys enjoyed what you guys seen, you guys like the lip, please drop that like, subscribe, comment, and oh, go follow me on Instagram at _got disorder. And that's after this video. Your boy's out. Peace.